We're gonna play in the mud. Blower.
Welcome to Corby's Corner.
You can't make that up. That's awesome. Hey guys, so here we are at the park next to where we live, and we're coming over here so that Corby can play with monster trucks and have a really fun time. And we're gonna play in the mud. It just rained today, so this is a mud episode. We're running the trucks. All right, what trucks do we have? Tell me which ones they are. What's that?
Zombie.
That's zombie. What's the next one?
Way to go.
Okay, grab it. What's that one?
Way to go.
Grave digger. What's the next one? Oh, look at that. That's Max D. Silver one. Awesome. What other trucks do we have?
This one.
That one. What's that one?
A monster truck.
It's like grave digger like monster truck, right? But it's not really grave digger. What's the next one?
Blaze.
Oh, Blaze. Let me see. Oh, look at that. There's a Blaze. He's already got dirty tires. But Corby threw one way in here. Oh, and Daddy's foot is really wet. There we go. We've got Dragon. Ooh, lots. Look at that. All right. Yep. It's all muddy. It's playing in the mud. They're right here. I got them all right there. Uh-oh, they all fell. What's he doing? He's going in the mud. That's what he's doing. Let's blaze! Oh my goodness! Look at him! Oh no! Blaze is digging himself in the mud. He got stuck.
Want to get him out?
You gonna get him out? All right, good job. I think we gotta wash his wheels off.
I'm washing.
Huh? You washing him off? Oh my goodness, there he is. We got all these guys too. All right, guys. Zombie. There we go. Oh, right in there. Oh, look at that. Yeah, he's got a good spot right in there. That one. Yep. Oh, now they're over there. Now what do you got?
This one.
Oh, there they are. Look at all that. He's got a big old load of sand.
This one. Rabbit.
The sand?
Yeah.
Where are you going to dump? Oh, right there, huh? That's a big old load of sand right there.
Get over. Did you come on? I have a cool gun. Oh, good. We're inside.
What? That was pretty cool. Well, that was an awesome time. And we're coming back another time to do the same thing. But for now, if you liked what we did, please subscribe and like and hit the like button down below. And hey, if there's anything that you guys want us to do that you want to see here, then tell us what it is in the comments and we'll see what we can do to make that happen. All right? Thanks for joining us, guys.
Thanks for joining us.